I'll be stepping you through how to make guacamole this video. Let's get our ingredients in order. I'm working with 4 avocado, 1/2 a tomato, 1/2 an onion, some cilantro and lemon juice for flavor. To prepare an avocado for guacamole, we must remove the skin and pit. This is most easily done by slicing down the long ways of the avocado along the pit. You'll feel it inside, it's quite hard. Once you've sliced all around, split it in 2 and remove the pit. It should come out quite simply with your hands. Next, with a spoon, scoop out the guts of the avocado, separating them from the skin. Do it to both sides. Now if it gives you a little trouble, be creative with how you scoop. Maybe don't use a spoon, use a fork. Now for me, this one gave me some trouble. I just used my hands. Now you're allowed to do that if you wash your hands, so do that as well before you cook. And then voila, we got 2. Add them to the bunch. Now the avocados are prepared for blend. I set a few off to the side for future use. You'll find out soon enough why. The rest of the avocados will go into the magic bullet cup. I'm adding my lemon juice to make sure that they become somewhat of an avocado smoothie, and then I'm preparing them for blend. I'm shaking it up to make sure that all of the avocados will hit the blade. It's loose, not too tightly packed, and then putting it in my magic bullet. I blended some of the avocados. I mashed up the rest of them with my fork. That way it's chunky and smooth. And so I diced up the rest of the ingredients, and I'm going to add them in on top of the guacamole mixture. And then with a fork, I mixed it all around, spread it out evenly. The guacamole is almost ready now. The last step is the addition of seasoning. Now I'm using red pepper and cumin. I'm doing it like a sharpshooter, but if you're not from the Wild West, I suggest adding them one at a time. We're gonna run it. Oh, dude, this one doesn't even feel like it's got a pit.
So,
what?
it's like all the best. The top of the top. Oh god. That's actually really good.
Really?